welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as Littlefitdevil, and today an amazing try on haul with the help of my friends at Temu. This time around it is all glitter and glam. I don't think you realize this is a proper haul. Look at everything I got from Temu. I cannot wait to show you. There's some really incredible items here, some that I'm very proud to own right now. So why don't we go ahead and get this party started? And also the shirt is also from Temu, because Temu now has banned t-shirts, and Behemoth is one of my most favorite black metal bands. Check them out, check out the shirts. Let's go. Okay, everybody, hair down for this one because I think it's necessary. I mean, the movement on this dress, I should say, skirt top combo is incredible. The glitter really shines. We are talking sequins that are just hanging from your entirety of this outfit. It's incredible. They are in a rose gold kind of color and super pretty. It is like a nude, but with my skin tone, you know, it doesn't read as nude, you should say. It fits really well, and I have to say, this is comfortable. This is an elastic waistband. This does not look like something that should be comfortable, especially, you know, in party wear. You sort of have to be uncomfortable for the most part, but no, not on this one. And this was so inexpensive. I don't think you would really guess how much this was. Truthfully, I think it was like maybe $12. Super sick, honestly. The accessories are also from Temu. I have these wristlets that are really cute. I also have the earrings, and hold on, look at the purse. I mean, this is incredible. It's really glittery, but also like really nice and cute. It's definitely kind of like high end, and I'm really loving it. It also has a strap if you want to hang it, but I think with this look, I kind of want it as a clutch. Let me show you the whole look. I went with silver heels, you know, because I think it cuts the rose gold a little bit, so definitely more interesting there. Yeah, I'm kind of loving that. I can't wait to have like a party that I can wear this to. I think it's really cute, but also sexy, but really comfortable. Perfect for a night out. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Tons to show you. Stick around. Let's go. Here we go, second look of the day, and I mean, this is party wear to the extreme. We really switched gears here, and I am loving the vibe. You know, I think the Skort more than the top, and here's why. I am one of those people that cannot wear shorts without having spillage on the back, truthfully. And for some reason, these shorts don't spill. I mean, it's a first. Truthfully, it's really hard for me to wear shorts without having to spill on the bottom there. So this is kind of like a nice night out outfit, you know, that's comfortable, that you're not showing too much, but you have a little bit of an interesting element. Love the top. Look at the sequins on this. This is like full-on sequins. It actually has a zipper on the back, which makes it really easy to put on, and it has adjustable straps. Also important. And it's very simplistic, you know, and I think it hits you right perfectly at the smallest part of your waist. So really amazing design, simple but easy, and I love that. The Skort is really cool. It's definitely more like a winter fabric because it's thick. I should say this is like a tweed probably, and it does have a zipper right here on the center. I don't know if you guys can see it, but really neat because it allows to be adjusted by means of this kind of like belt. You can probably remove the belt if you don't like it. I kind of like it. And I think it helps keep your waist small by being able to adjust it. Otherwise, this would definitely hit me a little lower on the waist. I think overall, super successful. Don't you think? Really pretty. Let me show you one more thing. So Temu has incredible accessories. So the ponytail I'm wearing, do you see how it glitters and shines? Check it out. So this came in a pack of, I believe, 12, and it comes with a lot of different motifs. And, you know, if you're looking to kind of elevate your look with a nice hair tie, these are great because usually hair ties don't say much. You know, I'm usually wearing like scrunchies, which, you know, could have worked too, but this is a lot more fitting with the outfit. So again, Temu has incredible accessories. I really hope you check it all out. All the links in the description of this video. Make sure you use my code because you do save big, especially if you're a first-time app user. So do not miss out on that. Okay, more glitter, more glam coming up. Stick around. Let's go. Okay, if we didn't have enough glitter, we have it now. Holy guacamole. It's like you're gonna walk into a room and you're gonna shine tremendously. How cool is this look? I mean, I am loving it. Definitely winter. The pants are like a velvet underneath the sequins. And guys, I mean, kind of like sequin joggers we're talking here. The sequins here from the top that I just tried on before and the pants really work together as if it belongs with the set. You cannot tell me this is not a fun look. I am telling you too, it's so comfortable and really flattering because of the way the pants move. I decided to pair these with gold sandals because, man, I just got the best freaking purse in the history of humanity. Look at this. This is an acrylic purse. I don't know if you've ever seen these before. They are incredible. It's like a clutch, okay? And look, it opens like that. It has like a magnet all around so that it closes well. And then it has the chain in case you want to use it this way. So now you have kind of the complete look with the gold sandals. Phenomenal. The headband is also from Temu and it's also glittery. I mean, I told you I would embrace the glitter and the glam, and I'm telling you, this is pretty damn cool. What a look, everybody. What a look. I do want to try this in another sort of fashion too. I have shorts that are sequin with a little blazer. So I'm going to keep the top one more time, and then we're going to switch things up, but I have to see how it looks. Stick around. Let's go. Okay, I told you I was going to shine from a mile away. I think I did it. You guys, this is definitely my most favorite look. This is super playful and I actually love the fit. Here is what I'm loving. Let's remove the jacket for a second and then I'll put it back on. So we have shorts, again, elastic on sequin. How come that something so fancy, so vibrant and definitely showstopper can be so comfortable? Literally like wearing beach shorts here. Amazing. It has a liner underneath and then definitely movement to the point that it could read as a skirt. See? Top, same one. We already seen this. And what I really like is how glitter and glitter kind of work together. I think it's amazing. It's definitely like out there. You're definitely going to be, you know, maybe a little bit of the center of attention, but that's not too bad. You know, if you're going to wear glitter somewhere, no, you're going to be turning heads because if there's lights, you are definitely going to shine. I think this is super chic. I do love the coat. I think it's really cute. It works together. And you know what I like about these pieces? You can definitely mix and match them. So perhaps you don't want to go full on glitter, but maybe you want to wear the shorts with something else or even the jacket on its own. I think, you know, even like for a party or a holiday, 10 out of 10 on this. This is so cool. I really want to go somewhere with this. This is incredible. I also like to hike these up like this a little bit to give it more like a not so formal kind of vibe. Amazing. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I have one more look to show you and hold on. While we're at it, how does this look all put together? Definitely diva vibes here. Let's go to the next one. Okay, last look of the day. I am having like interesting thoughts on this. I have to tell you, I think there's potential here. Perhaps not in these kind of like combo, let's just say. I am loving the top. I really do. But I think it reads a little old. And maybe it's because like I remember like back in the day, you know, my grandma wearing something like this. And I know this kind of fashion is coming back. So, you know, I try to put my hair up to give it more like a younger looking vibe to see if maybe we can make this look a little bit less old school. But I have to tell you, the design elements are incredible. But I do think that with the gold skirt, it's maybe a little bit outdated. I think that the best pair for this is literally like jeans. You need to like really kind of like undermine this in whatever way you can. The fit is actually really nice. Look, it's like a blouse. You can definitely see I did the tuck because millennial, you know. I think it works, but I think it reads a little like, I don't know, maybe I had this in my closet for 50 years kind of thing. The skirt is cute. I mean, I'm loving the gold. I think it can be paired with so many different things. It's high-waisted. It's super soft and really thin. I do think this is a size small. I think it's maybe too tight on my bum, but I think it looks really cute. And I guess you guys are gonna have to be the judges of this to see if it's actually successful or not, because I don't hate it. I kind of feel like the more I wear it and the more I'm talking, it kind of is growing it onto me. And I think that I really did a good job with the hair. Without the hair up, this would look like I'm 50. So again, up to you. You tell me. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. What did you think of this review? I mean, these items are so incredible on its own. I am really looking forward to pair them up into amazing outfits. If you like what I do, consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video. Turn on post notifications. You can follow me on social media, and you can support me right here on Patreon, where I provide early access to most of my YouTube videos, including exclusive photo shoots with a lot of the items that you see me trying out here, as well as amazing perks. Also, follow me at Carla Rates. It is a gaming exclusive channel. And you can follow me at Carla's Life channel. It is a new project. I have not started it yet, but you will see a little bit of behind the scenes on my life. So stay tuned if you're interested. Also, if you liked any of the items that you see me trying on today, or if you just want to check my friends at Temu out, make sure you use the link in the description. Use my code to save you some money, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.